Hello, welcome back to Between the Keys. How do you play Crazy by Gnarles Barkley? It's in C minor. Well, the first chord is C minor anyway, and then E flat, A flat, G sus, which means play G, the 4, C, and D, down to G with a 7. So that's the sus 4, 7, C minor, E flat, A flat, G sus, G7. Alright. I remember when I lost my mind. There was something so special about that place. Even your emotions had an echo, so much space. That was a little bit messy, right? Even your emotions had an echo, and so much space. Make sure you come in on 1 on the chords. Back to C minor. When you're out there without care, you was out of touch. It wasn't because you didn't know enough, just knew too much. Does that make me crazy? Same chords. Does that make me crazy? All the way. Crazy. A flat, down to G sus, probably G7. Alright, and now's where it changes. When we go to the next part of this song, this verse, C major. And I hope that you are having, so C major instead of C minor, the time of your life. A flat. So it's reversed. It was E flat and then A flat. Now it's A flat and then E flat. I hope you remember. But think twice is the right lyric. That's my only advice. G sus again and G7. They stay the same. So let's do that verse again. And I hope that you are having the time of your life. A flat. But think twice. E flat. That's my only advice. G sus to G7. Now we go back to the C minor. Come on now, who do you think you are? E flat. Ha ha ha, bless my soul. My band would often put a stop there. Ha ha ha, bless your soul. Really think you're in control? G sus, G7. Well, I think you're crazy. So that's the chorus again, round and round. The verse comes back in after that chorus, and he goes, my heroes had the heart to lose their lives out on a limb. And all I remember is thinking, I want to be like them. You've seen this before. So it's C, A flat, E flat, and G. And back to the minor. Ever since I was little, it looked like fun. And it's no coincidence I've come. And I can die when I'm done. So we're back round to those same 4 chords. Last time for the chorus. Maybe I'm crazy. Maybe you're crazy. Maybe you're crazy. Just like me. And you can put a little solo in if you like to. But only if you want to. And keep it straight if you're going to do that, unless you're going to change to swing. So on and so on. Plenty of options there for solos. Alright, that's Crazy by Gnarles Barkley. As always, if you enjoyed the video, Don't forget to click like and subscribe. Don't forget to do that. And I'll see you in the next one on Between the Keys. Thanks for watching.